The Kingston Western Police say they've made a breakthrough in the triple killing on Lincoln Avenue, St. Andrew last week with the arrest of one suspect. The divisional commander, Senior Superintendent Michael Phipps, says that triple murder is linked to other equally deadly crimes from as far as St. Catherine. Kirk Wright has been tracking this story.
The suspect, who we understand is 20 years old, was held last night in the Newlands area of Portmore in St. Catherine.
He will be interviewed on all the necessary investigative processes. We will commence those with him in short order.
The suspect frequents the Lincoln Avenue area but told the police he lives elsewhere. He was wanted in connection with the killing of 3 persons on Lincoln Avenue 4 days ago. The police say they have picked up that it's an internal gang disagreement that led to the killing. It's
what we regard as an intra-gang feud with the Bird Nation gang, where the leader is Aaron Thompson, otherwise called Birdie. He resides in the United States of America. We see where there is a falling out with persons connected to the particular gang within Jamaica. And we believe that the intra-gang feud is what is fueling some incidents of violence across the General Lincoln, Russell Road, William Lane, and Maryville areas.
All the areas mentioned by the senior superintendent are in close proximity to Lincoln Avenue. The triple killing on Lincoln Avenue happened on January 15, but 3 days before, a man was killed on Lincoln Road after he had gone to purchase food. The residents tell us that man was not a gangster. The police say, however, they believe that killing on Lincoln Road may have been the cause of the triple killing on Lincoln Avenue days later. But from what the police are saying, the reprisal killings may have been taking place for some time.
We have linked this gang feud to a number of other killings across the corporate area and St. Catherine. That quadruple murder in Kitsiltown, St. Catherine is linked to this particular gang feud. We had the double murder up in Whitehall Avenue where 2 persons were beheaded. That too is a part of the continuation of the gang feud within this particular Bird Nation gang.
The police say they're also seeking another man in relation to the Lincoln Avenue triple killing. That man is only known by his aliases Antsman or Blacks. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.